Hey, I'm Abhishek Kumar and I'm excited to share my recent AI chatbot project. The name is Indian Eatery Bot and it is AI-powered chatbot that allow user to place a restaurant order using natural language interaction. And it is fully integrated backend API to store in the MySQL database. And this project my skills in Python, backend development, NLP, API design. It aligned with my career goal of working as a data scientist and AI engineer. The goal to build these projects, often the restaurant have multiple and repetitive order query, and due to limited number of staff working on the busy day or any day, it is very difficult to take order very quickly by phone call or online. So this will make a bad impact on the user because of delay in the delivery or taking order. This chatbot solved this problem by providing same user experience as order taking by any staff of the restaurant. The core system of this project uses Dialogflow to handle NLP and NLU to recognize text classification and entity recognition. And then the backend service built on the FastAPI, which is a Python-based framework to receive information from this chatbot and store in the MySQL database. And then finally, chatbot embedded real world website, which is this one website, which is this website is built on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, giving a professional front end look for this website. And so I'll start demo of this website and the project for chatbot. So I built this website, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and they embedded these two buttons as a chatbot. So I make the name of restaurant Indian Eatery, and these are the navigating bar for this one, and give an headline for our restaurant. And this is the menu of this project. And if I check navigating bar, if I click on the menu button, it will jump on the menu button. We user can check all the menu here directly without scrolling down. If we click on the location, it will directly go on the location. And if I click on the about us, it will jump directly on the about us, same as for contact. So we will add two button here. One is order with ERV chatbot. The other is logo here. This chatbot. If we click here and then click on here, it will be disappearing from here. The reason two button is sometime user visited on the website and does not look directly in the site logo. So this button will be highlighted here. User will go here and check the menu, and if want to add or it does not look here. So they remember that order with here. If we click here, chat will be open. If we click here, it will disappear here from. So let's start the demo of the chatbot. If I say anything like hi here, user can say anything, even in the natural language, anything can say, like I say here. So chatbot respond me, hello, how can I help you? You can say new order or track order, but I don't want to say same phrase. I can say anything in the natural language, like, can you take my order, please? Same as staff is taking my order in the restaurant or in the phone call. I click, yeah, it gave, okay, starting new order, did menu, available menu. So I can choose from available menu. So I want to add one pizza and one samosa and two. Here I did spelling mistake. Still can this chatbot can understand if you did any spelling mistake or grammar mistake. This chatbot perfectly understand even you did any mistake. So this chatbot added one pizza, one samosa, two Mango Lassi has been added to your order, and you want to add more item or you add your address for delivery. So this time I want to add some more item. I want to add bun chole bhature. Okay, I added one chole bhature here. So this is added here. And this time, my friend said that they don't want to eat pizza. So please remove pizza from the cart. Yeah, pizza has been removed from the cart, and one samosa, two mango lassi, and one chole bhature is left in your cart, and you want to add some more item. This time I'm wrapping my order. So I say, please add full address like house. So here I want to add 172 New Port Road, CF 24 1 DL. Okay, this has taken my address. 172 Newport Road, Cardiff has been added to your order. You want to finish the order? Yeah, this time I want to finish the order. Yes, please finish. Finish my order. Thank you. Order has been placed and the order is 72. Total price is 22. So this time I want to check my order status. So I can say, can you please check my order status? Yeah, is say what is your order ID? My order ID is 72. So I say 72. Okay, your order status has placed because this time at the moment I placed the order. That's why status is order is placed. So this is working very well. And we'll check how it's working in the backend. If I click here, it still will be remember what I say. If we go on the backend side, on the database side, we'll check our order added or not. If I go here, I check order is 72. Yes, we added 3 items. So 3 items is here with the individual price. If I check address of this order, so 72, 172 Newport Road orders address is also added here. And how it's working with the fast API, it's taking from this reply from the Babbook API of Dialogflow will coming here, and after that will be processing this function. We make this architecture in the virtual environment of Python. So this is Dialogflow. At this time, I will log in here. This instance I created here. The most exciting part of this project is working with NLP to understand natural language text processing and text classification, entity classification. So this is essential applying a text classification or name entity recognition as many data science or machine learning project and type. For further, this project plan to integrate payment method or enable a voice assistant to take this order. I trained some phrases in this intent. If I click here, so I trained these phrases, number of phrases, so that easily understand and recognize very accurately user conversation. So with this project, it gave a hand-on experience for building NLP driven application and they integrate AI solution with the real web app and working with SQL and developing REST API with fast API framework and also sharpen my problem solving skill by developing this project. And thank you for watching this demo of the project. And this project combined my interest in NLP, AI, backend development, and software engineering. And I'm actively looking opportunity in data science and AI software engineering so that I can apply and these skills on the to develop the organization's goal. And yeah, to feel free to check out this project on my GitHub repository and connect with me LinkedIn. Thank you for watching this project.